Only fits Camp Chef stove models GB90D, TB90LW, TB90LWG, TB90LWG15, SPG90B, PRO90X. Does not fit the Explorer 3X, EX90LW. Heavy-duty custom fit, designed to fit, top-loading design with weather-resistant liner and wraparound handles. Part of the original camp cooking system start with a stove. Mix and match accessories like BBQ Grill boxes, professional griddles, reversible cast iron grills, and even artisan pizza ovens to create the camp kitchen you want. Camp Chef quality. Camp Chef stands behind the quality of their outdoor cooking products, from stoves to pellet grills. You won't find more durable, high-performing cooking gear anywhere for camping, tailgating, catering, hunting, back patio, and more. Note this bag will not fit the EX90LW triple burner, CCB48. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect bag for my 3-burner camp stove. I had Camp Chef 3-burner camp stove new in box for a while and finally broke it out for a camping trip. I really wanted a bag that I could carry the couple components in, but the stove is pretty big and I couldn't find anything locally. I looked at the Camp Chef site and they wanted $50 plus for this bag. I then found it on Amazon for $30. It is a great bag and I am so glad I bought it. It keeps the stove, legs and windshield together and is very sturdy. It fits the stove perfectly and is not hard to get the stove out of or put back in. Very happy with this purchase.